Well, General Kamal Wazir, the Minister of Industry and Transportation, inaugurated the waste energy recovery station at the cement factory in Helwan. The total investment of the project amounts to $30 million and includes building the first innovative system of its kind in the cement industry in Egypt. It's recover energy with the aim of exploiting the wasted heat from production lines and returning it to generate energy instead of releasing heat into the atmosphere, which contributes to preserving the environment and saving energy and preserving health and climate. IT creates positive returns on the Egyptian economy by saving a lot of natural gas use annually. The minister stressed the need to pay attention to scientific aspects and the latest types of technology to obtain a product at an economical price, especially with the ability of raw materials in Egypt. Well, to shed more light on this, we have the pleasure to have with us over the phone our dear guest, Dr. Mohammed Sadik Auf, the road professor of road engineering. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Well, Dr. Auf, what is meant by the waste energy recovery station?
And the waste energy recovered station contributes to preserve the environment and also to save energy, which contributes to preserving health and climate and creating positive return on the Egyptian economy by saving a lot of natural gas used annually, which has a great impact in reducing the cost of cement production. This station works to recover the heat wasted during the production process of cement and convert it into electrical energy that is used in manufacturing alternative fuel. Is also used as an energy source within the framework of interest in clean energy to contribute to manufacturing process and energy saving. This factory I am talking about, the cement factory in Helwan, is one of the first factories to adopt scientific methods in generating energy in production process. Also yesterday, the Deputy Prime Minister, Kamil Wazir, the Minister of Industry and Transport, is keen on the commitment of companies and manufacturing and their compliance with environmental standards to advance the Egyptian industry system through commitment to the environment dimension of sustainable development according to the last modern methods and systems, technology used in industry, also and apply in all parts of the world as one of the pillars of achieving the industrial boom, appreciating the great effort of Egyptian companies to adopt innovative technologies to improve energy consumption efficiency, reduce carbon dioxide emissions, also rationalize resource consumption, which is the most important point. Search also for alternatives to traditional fuel, reduce carbon footprint, especially in energy intensive and high carbon industries such as the cement industry. The energy recovery station also at the company in Helwan, is expected to produce 18 megawatts of energy, which is used inside the company factory. The benefit from this innovation, which is the most important point of this project, is to reduce the use of electrical energy by equivalent of 48,000 tons annually.
Yes.
This will help to save the cost, to save and reduce the cost of cement production.
Yes, hello?
Hello?
Yes, Dr. Auf. So,
Okay.
Dr. Auf, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Dr. Auf, what are the benefits of establishing these stations in providing job opportunities, the benefits for the economy of the state?
For job opportunity, I didn't talk about this important point. Any development in the cement factory certainly generate new job opportunities for the Egyptian. But the most important point which I wanted to talk about today is saving the cost of production of cement, which will help in improve the economic situation, because the cement is a strategic item in building everything in Egypt. So to control the cost of cement is very important point, also to save the environment, and carbon footprint is very important point in this issue.
So, Dr. Auf, how can these stations contribute to preserving the environment?
This station contribute to serve the environment by reuse the heat again, instead of releasing it in the environment, in the air. So the idea simply is based on reuse the energy, as I just talked about, to produce about 18 megawatts of energy, which was released without any benefit. And also this heat and energy in the past, before building this station, was affected very negative effect on the environment.
Yes. So, Dr. Auf, the Minister of Industry and Transport, Kamel Wazir, also pointed out the Ministry of Industry's interest in shifting to the green economy. What are the most important steps taken by the Ministry in this direction?
Everything. I wanted to talk about the mass transportation network in general in Egypt, especially the high-speed trains, the monorail. All this mass transportation in Egypt are using electric energy instead of solar energy or traditional fuel. So Egypt have great interest to save energy towards achieving green engineering and sustainability.
Yes. So the factory is considered one of the private sector's projects. So how do you see the state's keenness on encouraging the private sector?
In the state in general is keen to encourage general and private sector, and there is no difference between them. We have the same target to achieve sustainability, to reduce pollution, to reduce carbon dioxide, to save the environment.
So, Dr. Auf, nowadays is the state contribute to directing the industries in order to to shift to the green economy?
In my opinion, I see this station is very important station, and I hope that all cement factories in Egypt will have similar stations to achieve the green economy, which is a very important goal for the Egyptian strategy.
Yes, I thank you very much for your time. Thank you for your valuable information, Dr. Muhammad Sadik Auf, Professor of Road Engineering. I really had the pleasure to have this phone with you. Ladies and gentlemen, a short break and I'm going to be back with you.